app icon in SwiftUI project. How to apply, how to make and apply app icon in your project. So first of all we are going to discuss about app icon. What is app icon? Every app needs a beautiful and memorable icon that attracts attention in the app store and stand out on the home screen. Your icon is the first opportunity to communicate at a glance. Your icon is the first opportunity to communicate at a glance. Your app purpose, it also appears throughout the system, such as in the setting and search results. So first of all, open your Xcode and we're gonna create a new project. Select app, and this is the product name and project name is apply app icon. This is the project name, apply app icon, and this is the Swift UI interface using Swift language. We're gonna create on this project. Okay, we can resume on this project. So every app needs a beautiful and memorable icon that attracts attention in the app store and stand out on this home screen. Your icon is the first opportunity to communicate that at a glance. Your app purpose. We're gonna run on this project. So this is check on this icon, and this is the we run this app. This is a hello world program. Hello world assign on this text on the string. We're gonna check on this. This is a hello world, and check on this. This is apply app icon. No apply app icon. This is no apply app icon image, and this is a no apply on this icon. This is apply app icon hello world, and this is no apply on this app icon. So we can set on this. Open your Google Chrome and create on your app icon maker, and this is the app icon generator. We're gonna open your website app icon generator, and this is the drag upon this file. Suppose we show our each on this image. Suppose this is the parrot image and the parrot image. We can set on this parrot, and suppose open your files and set on this parrot image. Suppose this is the parrot second. We can apply on this app icon, and this third apply on this parrot image. Our parrot image apply on this. This is iPhone 11 different size and file, iPad 3 different size, WatchOS and macOS. We can apply. Android is for not apply Android. This is a not apply on this Android. So generate on this file. So generate on this app icon zip on this download app icon zip. We can extract on this app icon. This is the app icon open sheets, and this is the app icon open. So this app icon open. We can minimize on this Google Chrome assets folder. We can set on this app icon images, set on this app icon template, set on the size by size images. Suppose first requirement is 40 into 40 by 40 into 40. Suppose this is a 40 into 40. So 40 image. Suppose this is a 40 into 40, and 60 into 60. Suppose this is 60 into 60. Suppose it's 550 to 58 into 58. So we can set on the 58, 87 into 87. So this is a 80 into 80 and 87, sorry, 120. We can set on this 120 images. Apply on this asset 120 apply, and this is a 180, and 20 by 20 images apply on this 20, and this is a 40 apply on this image 40, and 29 apply on this images 29, and 52 apply on this image 52, and this is the 40 by 40 apply on this images, and 80 by 80 we're gonna apply on this images 80, and this 76 apply on this image 76, 152 we're gonna apply on this image 152, and this 167, this is the App Store iOS file is 140 124, set on this app icon, remove on this app icon, this is the app icon, command S, save on this app icon, and this is the content room, run on this project. So every app needs a beautiful and memorable icon that attracts attention in the App Store and stand out on the home screen. This is the remove. So we're gonna apply on this app icon. Apply app icon. We can set on this app icon. This parrot image icon. This is we're gonna apply on this app. So we can check on this app icon. This is a parrot app icon, and we can set on this parrot app icon. This is parrot. We can set on this app icon. This is a parrot. I apply app icon our project. We can set on this app icon. Okay. So thank you for watching. We can enjoy on like to app icon in SwiftUI by using SwiftUI project.